Hello, friends. Myself Ajay Singh, and I am so thankful to you of all of you for the overwhelming response that I have received from your side. Basically, now it's my duty to ensure that I maintain your faith because me, this personal mentorship program that was launched by me 2 days back, I uploaded a video requesting those aspirants who are appearing for mains to join my personal mentorship program. The overwhelming response that I have received from which I am overwhelmed because so many students who are appearing for mains they came that now I have to refuse them. Now you need to understand my situation. In personal guidance, personal mentorship program, I have to take the responsibility of each and every individual, and I have to ensure to bring out the best out of him, bring best out of him to ensure that he is the best version of himself, because here I have to devote myself 100% for the betterment of the student. So I cannot enlarge the number of students beyond more than 60 students. It's not possible for me physically to guide personally. So I am very sorry from my side that those of you who are calling me regularly to get admission into this program, even if I admit you, I won't be able to do justice with my profession, because here you need 100% support for each and every student, and that is not possible in case I add large number of students. Yes, the classroom program that we are launching from 1st July, in that course everyone is invited. You can come offline, you can come online, you can attend the demo classes, and then you can make up your mind. You can attend 3 demo classes. So from 1st July, class will begin from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Timings will be 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And you can join the class, you can attend the demo class. 3 demo classes are there. Then you can make up your mind for the admission, both online mode as well as offline mode. So for that, admissions are open. Now, for the overwhelming response that you have shown for my personal mentorship program, now the ball is in my court. Now I have to ensure that this course exactly meets my parameters, and this course ensures that you are working in the proper direction with full enthusiasm and vigor. And for that purpose, I need time. Therefore, I am launching on one batch, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Rest of the time I'll be devoting to my personal mentorship program that is meant for the people who are appearing for mains. For the next 2 months, I'll be hell bent upon bringing out the best out of them, and you can see you will see the results. But for the rest of you who are calling me up regularly for this personal mentorship program, I'm refusing it. It's not basically I want to do justice with you. I want to do justice with my profession, because you people, even if I add 100 to 150 students, I won't be able to do justice with you, and that would be a negative aspect. So I don't want to extend the number of enrollment beyond 70, 60. 70 is also unmanageable for personal mentorship program. So I am thankful to all of you that you have reposed faith in me, and now onus lies on me to prove my worth, to prove the worth of this course. I will be hell bent upon this on all of you to ensure that you perform the best, that you give the best performance out of this. Thank you.